You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 54 over 11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 6 over 11. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 54 over 11.